how to get Discord token on mobile. The first things first is you won't be able to do this using the Discord application. Instead, we are going to use our web browser from our mobile device. Now I'm going to be using Google Chrome for this video. It's just simply pull it up. Now, if you cannot find the Discord web, just simply type in discord.com/app. Now from here, you will now then be redirected to the Discord web version. Now, for us to be able to make this work, just simply press on the three dots and add this browser to your bookmark by tapping on the star icon right here. So bookmark saved, so let's view that. Now you'll have to change the name to token and then remove everything from a URL, and you'll just have to copy and paste this JavaScript right here. So let's select everything and then copy. Now I'm going to be posting this to the description below, or you can go ahead and manually type it in on your end. Now since we already copied the JavaScript index, then go back to the bookmark and paste it under the URL. Now, once everything is saved, all I have to do refresh the page and then activate the bookmark by going back to the three dots and go to bookmarks. Go to mobile bookmarks and then just simply tap in the bookmark token that we just created. So that's how you get token on Discord using your mobile device.